Good morning, students. Today's topic is angle. What is an angle? Let's define and find out what is an angle. Two different rays with a common starting point, which is also called vertex, form an angle, which is denoted by the symbol. This is a symbol for angle, and the unit of measuring an angle is degree. Now, see this unit, degree. Now here we can see there are two rays, ray OA and another ray OB. They join here and form an angle which is angle AOB. Alright, and how can we write this angle AOB? We can write here measurement angle AOB. So now students, angles can be classified according to their degree of measure. For example, right angle, which is of 90 degree, acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. Then there are obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degree, and straight angle, which is 180 degree. Then students, we have reflex angles, which are more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Now we come to know now more about different types of angles. Like we have complementary angles. When two angles are called complementary angles when sum of degree measure is equal to 90 degree. Like if we have any two angles and their degree measure, sum of degree measure is 90 degree, they are called complementary angles. For example, students, here we have two angles. See, angle AOC and angle BOC. Alright, and their sum of measure is 60 plus 30, which is 90 degree. So you can see that these two angles are making a sum of measure which is 90 degree. And here these type of angles are also called adjacent angles. Why? Because adjacent angles are those which share a common vertex and have a common arm. Here you can see basically these are two angles which are sharing a common vertex and have a common arm. That's why they are also called adjacent angles. Now basically these are complementary angles whose sum of measure is 90 degree. Now there is another type of angles which are supplementary angles. Now for supplementary angles, the two angles are called supplementary angles when their sum of degree measure is equal to 180 degree. Now here in this example we can see we have two angles, angle BAD, which is 60 degree, and another angle which is SAD, alright, which is 120 degree. And students, when we take sum of these two angles, it will be equal to 180 degree. So that is why they are called supplementary angles, because their sum of degree measure is 180 degree. So in this way you will write them and learn them, and you can find other pairs of supplementary and complementary angles, like when you have a sum of two angles which is equal to 90 degree. For example, 45 plus 45, 70 plus 20, 80 plus 10. So in this way these type of angles will give you different examples of complementary angles. Similarly, you can find many more supplementary angles, like you can have 30 plus 150, or you can have a different other set of or pair of supplementary angles. So in this way you have to learn them. Thank you, students.